Today I'm going to talk about 3 left-leaning decreases. The first one is the SSK. This is where you slip 2 stitches knitwise and then knit them together through the back loop. The next type of left-leaning decrease is when you slip a stitch as if to knit, then knit the next stitch and pass the slipped stitch over your knit stitch. And finally, the last left-leaning decrease is like the SSK, but you slip the first stitch knitwise, the second stitch purlwise, and then you knit the 2 stitches together through their back loops. I'm going to finish knitting across this row and then knit a plain row on the back, and we can compare how the 3 decreases look. Now you can see them side by side. Which of the 3 left-leaning decreases do you prefer?